Have you ever wondered why some people suddenly appear rich overnight while others quietly stack wealth for years without anyone noticing? You know the type. No flashy lifestyle, no luxury posts online, no bragging. Yet one day, you hear they bought 3 rental properties, built a $1 million investment portfolio, or retired a decade early. And you sit there thinking, when did that happen? The truth is, the top 1% don't just build wealth, they build it quietly. They follow a different rhythm, a different mindset, a different game. Ask yourself a real question. How many times have you postponed investing because you felt you needed a higher salary first? How many times have you waited for the perfect moment to buy stocks or start a side income? How often have you believed that rich people have secret advantages ordinary people don't? This video walks you through the silent strategies the top 1% follow. Each one explained in detail, each one realistic, each one applicable no matter where you're starting. Every point snowballs into the next, so stay with me until the end. If you're ready to unlock your potential and achieve more, hit subscribe. We're dedicated to delivering actionable tips and real-life success stories. Let's start with the first quiet move. Let me share a short story. A young designer once decided to track every unseen expense for 12 months. Nothing heroic, just pure awareness. At the end of the year, he realized he'd freed up enough money to start a monthly automatic investment into a broad market index fund. 10 years later, that habit grew into more wealth than all his pay raises combined. Quiet wealth starts here, paying attention without announcing anything. The top 1% automate flows instead of relying on willpower. Automated stock purchases, automated contributions to ETFs, automated transfers to their emergency fund. They set system-based decisions, not emotional ones. And because the system works in the background, their wealth builds even when they're not paying attention. Number 2, they avoid lifestyle signaling. While most people increase spending every time income rises, the top 1% resist, not because they're stingy, but because they understand a hard truth. Every lifestyle upgrade delays wealth by a few years. This is the quietest wealth principle because it's invisible from the outside. While others flex new cars or high-end vacations, the wealthy invest the difference quietly into appreciating assets, equity, index funds, REITs, dividend stocks, or a future rental property. A financial analyst once lived in the same small apartment for 8 years, even after her salary doubled. Her colleagues wondered why she wasn't enjoying life. Little did they know she was building a portfolio generating passive income monthly. By the time she moved into her dream home, she didn't need a mortgage on it. The house was paid for by her investments, not her salary. Her quiet move? No lifestyle signaling. This doesn't mean you live miserably. It means you choose upgrades intentionally instead of emotionally. Number 3, they buy back time before buying luxury. This one scares people because it exposes a truth we don't like to admit. Time, not money, is the real wealth multiplier. The top 1% invest in time-saving assets and systems long before they spend on desires. They outsource repetitive tasks when possible. They automate workflows. They buy tools that make them more productive. They invest in online platforms, digital systems, and processes that save them hours every week. Most people think success is about working harder. Wealthy people think success is about working longer on the right things. By freeing time, they can study market trends, do stock market analysis, learn about dividend strategies, diversify portfolios, or start a side venture that compounds into passive income. Instead of bragging about being busy, they brag about being efficient. Quietly, of course. But time freedom leads to the next secret. A strategy almost no one implements because it requires a mental shift. Number 4, they protect their attention like capital. Think about it. Attention determines focus. Focus determines decisions, and decisions determine wealth. You can have the best stock trading platform, the smartest financial plan, or the most optimized portfolio diversification strategy. But if your attention is constantly hijacked, you'll never implement any of it consistently. The wealthy guard their inputs. They know every notification, every trend, every viral distraction has a cost. The cost isn't just time. It's missed opportunities. It's emotional fatigue. It's delayed actions. A distracted mind procrastinates instead of investing. It reacts instead of planning. It consumes instead of creating. You might wonder how to apply this if your life is already full of responsibilities, notifications, or overwhelming routines. It's simpler than it looks. You can start by disabling unnecessary alerts. You can have one screen-free hour daily. You can create a personal finance review ritual once a week. You can block distracting apps during your productive hours. Every small step improves clarity. Number 5. They save aggressively before they invest consistently. Most people jump into investing the moment they hear about an opportunity. It could be stocks, ETFs, REITs, bonds, or even a new IPO. But wealthy individuals take a quieter path. They build a strong base before they climb. They save aggressively before they invest consistently. Not because they're scared, but because they understand wealth requires stability before acceleration. This mindset protects them from emotional decisions. When markets dip, the average person panics because they don't have a financial cushion. They fear losing money because they might need it soon. They buy high and sell low because pressure forces bad decisions. Quiet wealth builders eliminate that pressure by building a cash buffer first. They save enough to handle unexpected expenses. They save enough to avoid touching their investments prematurely. They save enough to invest without fear. Saving aggressively creates confidence. Confidence leads to consistency, and consistency leads to compounding. Number 6. They play multi-decade games even when they want quick results. In a world addicted to speed, the wealthiest individuals become patient rebels. While everyone else chases fast returns, overnight success, or the next explosive stock, the top 1% quietly commit to the long arc. They think in decades. They think in cycles. They think in compounding curves that don't look impressive at first but become unstoppable over time. This long-term mindset is the single greatest separator between the wealthy and everyone else. It changes how they see the stock market. It changes how they approach equity investments. It changes how they handle market corrections. It changes how they evaluate risk. They understand something most people overlook. Compounding doesn't reward intensity, it rewards duration. The wealthy use time as leverage. They take advantage of dollar-cost averaging month after month. They let the market volatility work in their favor. When you think long-term, you reduce stress because your timeline expands. You avoid chasing risky opportunities. You avoid timing the market. You avoid emotional buying and selling. You avoid comparing your pace with others. Number 7. They stay financially humble even when they don't need to. The wealthiest people often appear the calmest. You won't see constant flexing. You won't see unnecessary upgrades. You won't see status-driven purchases. They stay financially humble, quietly consistent, privately strategic, and intentionally grounded. This humility isn't personality, it's strategy. It protects their wealth. It prevents lifestyle inflation. It keeps their investment contributions stable. It restricts emotional spending. It creates mental calm that supports long-term decisions. When your lifestyle stays controlled, your investment power increases automatically. A modest lifestyle creates surplus. Surplus becomes capital. Capital becomes equity. Equity becomes freedom. Number 8. They build multiple small income streams. The wealthy treat income diversification the way investors treat portfolio diversification. Lower risk, more resilience, greater long-term stability. When one stream fluctuates, others balance it. When markets dip, rental income continues. When a side gig slows, an ETF keeps paying. When the economy shifts, a well-diversified portfolio absorbs the impact. Building small income streams also changes how you think. You develop an entrepreneurial mindset. You learn to monetize skills. You learn how ownership works. You learn digital leverage. You learn how scalable systems operate. Here is the bonus point for you. This one makes everything actually work in real life. They build systems so they don't need motivation. The top 1% don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They know motivation fluctuates. Discipline fluctuates. Emotional energy fluctuates. Systems do not. They automate as much as possible. They simplify everything, reducing decision fatigue. When financial habits run on autopilot, consistency becomes effortless. The wealthy design routines that generate progress even on days when they're tired, stressed, unmotivated, or distracted. Systems create accountability without pressure. They create progress without friction. They turn goals into processes, processes into habits, and habits into wealth. Most people fail financially not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack systems. They rely on willpower. They rely on mood. They rely on feeling ready. The wealthy remove emotion and rely on structure. This is the quiet edge that compounds everything else. And now it's time to tie everything together in the conclusion. Before you leave, if this video resonated with you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to never miss an insight, and share it with your loved ones. And tell yourself, I am wealthy in the comments, and I'll give you a heart. See you in the next one.